So you know those softwares like After Effects and All Light Motion where they use null layers. So you want to know how you can use null layers in Davinci Resolve. So first you want to know what null layers do exactly. So null layers basically what they do is like they make the transitions that you use in your clip smoother. So I'm gonna show you so it's easier to understand. So first I'm gonna show you the transition I used in my recent tutorial without null layers. So this is the transition without null layers. As you can see, it's kinda smooth, but at a certain frame the clip just stops with the movement. So that is basically what null layers do. They keep the movement going so it looks smooth. Now I'm gonna show you the same transition but with null layers. So I made the same transition but this time with null layers. And as you can see, the movement just keeps flowing. That's the reason why it looks so smooth. That's why null layers are very important when you're making like AMV edits or just normal edits in general. So this is the transition with and without null layers. And the reason why with null layers the animation looks constant and smooth is because the transforms nodes, they overlap each other. Because here the first transform node that ends on frame 26 and the second transform node starts at frame 18. So they overlap each other and that's the reason why it looks so smooth. So imagine you want to make a typography edit with null layers. So how do you do that? So now I made a setup. Whenever you're working with a 3D camera, I wouldn't suggest using these keyframes. The best thing I would do is just click on the camera. Now open up the toolbar and just search of transform 3D. Now just keyframe this instead of this camera because otherwise you can't use null layers. So now I'm just gonna make a quick edit. So I made this quick edit and as you can see the concept is the exact same, just overlap the two nodes that you use or multiple nodes that you're gonna use. Now that's how you use null layers in Davinci Resolve.